glad to welcome you on behalf of TRT Holdings, Omni Hotels and Resorts, to an evening of celebration of the past and looking forward with optimism to the future of this iconic resort, America's first resort, the Omni Homestead.
We bought the homestead 10 years ago, and it's been a work in progress, but being here and seeing the transformation, to all of you who have worked so hard over the last 2.5 or 3 years to do this, I want to just say thank you. It's been great.
Well, good evening, everybody. How much fun is this? Not only do we have a massive celebration that everyone is here, we get to include Virginia wines. We're at the grand reopening of the most majestic lady in America, the Homestead.
You know, it's rare in life when you get to knowingly be a participant in history. And tonight, we are all in that position.
We really do love this place, and it's an amazing Omni Resort. Thank you all for being here to celebrate this day.
It is with excitement that we come together to enjoy this momentous day, October 19th, in the year of our Lord 2023, to kick off our grand reopening celebration, an American Encore. May the next 100 years be its greatest year.